How to create a conditional income statement. So what I'm saying here is, let's say if the performance is at 15%, sales revenue is going to go up, which in effect affects your net income. But on the other hand, if it's a 25%, which is an even higher performance, sales revenue is going to be even higher, which leads to an even higher net income. So how do you do this? How do you make this happen? So here's the different conditions, or you can call them variables, and this is the revenue result, which pulls into the first line here called sales revenue. The first thing you need to do is take the cell here on sales revenue and make it equal xlookup. For the xlookup, the lookup value will be the blue dropdown that we will put it in later. The lookup range is the different performance percentages, which would be these red cells here. And then you also lock it up by hitting F4. And the return results will be the sales revenue results according to the different percentages. So it's the purple cells here. So you're going to select all those here and then hit F4 to lock it in. After putting in the formula, hit enter, and the results will be not applicable NA for now because we don't have anything in the blue dropdown yet. To put in the dropdown, select the blue cell here, go to data, and then go to data validation. And then this window pops up. On the source, you're going to select this performance percentages because those will be the drop down percentages that you're going to use. And then you're gonna hit OK. So now when you choose the different drop downs, it will look up the value of the performance percentage and return you the revenue. Thank you for watching. Please like and follow for more.